Name breaking news biya kamal. Breaking news bana lat gwasa me kwikir mayardit ka tege ne cha kwany. Ne de to Canadian contin billet ala land malka ka implementation of the 2018 peace agreement. Ala male dan isha tan koron kin dangara wal badek no chikir mayardit te ne de cha kwany. Ne de to che ne ruwan cha kwany bashur ken baka nyoga yekel gwasa mene. Ngai kona gwan go chi tam ke kir mayardit ko ba kwarba ka kwany. Batama cha George no kwanya kwara no ka kwara to tandien ka ji SPLAyo tandien kene ka la kume SPLM so jo me gorjen wode yene nyoka de ko kien ka yene leng no ka jo me chalat gwase me President Salva Kiir Mayardit ka changa diok reconstituted the high level ad hoc committee on the implementation of the 2018 peace agreement men chalat cheneti shop ka jandang jogu de kel te billet ka kimalka la ron kin dang redwel badek te ka kwanyam point Kiir Mayardit ala third one members ka kwanya ka political parties need to go can stakeholder kwanya kere part need to go kan part to ka part need in content re we ka South Sudan kwa ile kwij bagwa da me ka jom inshallah no kwa ka je midong Canadian TV ka National Transitional Committee to Tinwan me be can coach it remain unclear whether this new committee will replace the National Transitional Committee. The existing National Committee in Conte which South Sudan la nete Conte lat kamal ronkin dang wal badak don muka nete bika gere wal bungote de kwala kwich ko ta na dare entity wa ka nete tin ka transitional committee te nyam ka National Transitional Committee te nyam la NTC ka ta ma chane dun wan che ga nyoko mu kwanyeka gwada me chana jamen chana kishut ken men lin ko di ere na meka ne de kwanti tandien ka jas pelayo no tandien ka ne ka point Kiir Mayardit tandien te ka partner to goal bukon kul gujeno mi fair na me mishalat Kiir Mayardit de ki tere de take corruption gorjen bana jen wa ka jalla me ba chut ken bakalat raman yamala appointed members ne ko ne akwany kolma nyang juk ramkel take SPLM chairperson SPLM jen SPLM chairperson ka jen team mo ma cha kwany jala chairperson ke ran SPLM ramaro de la suba ludoru wango ran SPLAyo jaram dala deputy chairperson ka kuman pai kwany rara di ramadio den Dr. Martin Elia Lumoro ran national agenda secretary general Michael Makwilwet ran SPLM a member Lumoro take ran national agenda secretary general Lois Chatikaneti Michael Makwilwet as SPLM member nijen point ere team gana mo Simon kun pojba ran SPLM ngai kona jen third deputy ka SPLM but gwada me ka team cha kwany ka kwi National Transitional Committee jen members nijen ki ramaten jen gwasamo bol makwing yol SPLM member Abuk Jervas makwach SPLM member Joseph Geng akech SPLM member Rama Bangwandien John Oryem NS SPLM member Dr. Nadia Arob Dudi SPLM member Dr. Santino Ayuel Longar SPLM member Rama Wera Udien Taban Luka Guya National Agenda member Ramkel kan wudi shalgama Dr. Ilya Lumoro Ramadan and Wera Udien Well Dien Joseph Malek Arop National Agenda bo members nijen Agnes Poni Lukudu National Agenda members bo Rama Well Ngwandien Agnes Poni Lukudu National Agenda members bo Rama Well Dien Shale Zora Maboteng National Agenda Onyoti Ramwel Bakelien a democratic change party democratic change Well Baroden Shale Suili Deng Adam a democratic change Ramwel Badeten Dr. Lama Kol Ajawin take a member nijan Ramwel Bangondien Julius Tabule Daniel Ran Swabo a members Ramajendang Rodien Michael Ayuen Johnson Ran Swa a member nijan Ramajendang Rodi Kolien Jendang Rudi Kelian Agong Makurkur SPLMAyo member Sarah Kalito Real SPLMAyo member Ya Taylor Ringdeng SPLMAyo member John Barayona SPLMAyo member Bull Jogjek SPLMAyo member Isaiah Kim Gareng FDS Ramkel member FDS Albino Akol Attack OPP member Richard Owang Balen OPP members Majong Mading Dear OPP member Majong Mading Dear OPP member Ramadan Lazden Ramadan Jogdian Mayen Jeremiah Turish OPP member Ramadan Jogri Kelian Ramachal William Loshi Deputy Secretary General of the Government Secretariat akene den konen sha kwan gane de to kata na ran ce kum ke mayardit je le ke ban man bukul to gane ne di alishi anenti you kuma spela yo tela tandi den chicken ten so cha ga dongrar don belen to gwada dana wada krema char waje luntin ko kenten konling yen ke no bada krema char baje lun yes ka tok du no ngoda ken ke no walat ge no dara wale shanga de ke paiba ke ron kin dang ro janda ko de ban ngoda tel mi chinon ne ka tene tama na tin lep ko je ma dong ba tok ki che bia tuk so ban jelen je ka gwatan be an bia te gamal bye bye